Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this BMW X3. This is the old version, an e83 2006 BMW, and I've just had that light come on. Well, not just, it's come on, it came on a few days ago, actually 4 days ago, and if that light comes on, it means that you have a puncture or one of your tires is gone flat for whatever reason. Well, saying that, it could be one of the tires, could be 2, 3, it could be all of the tires that have gone flat, but usually it's one tire and it's gone, the air is come out for whatever reason. Could be a puncture, could be air leaking from the wall of the tire, anything like that. So I had a look at my tires, and I found a big nail on one of them. So as I was saying, there's a nail on the tire. However, I just had it repaired because actually I didn't have it repaired. In the end, I replaced the tire because the tire was the wall of the tire was looking quite old. So they just recommended to replace it instead of repairing it, which is okay. I usually go to this garage, so I do trust what they're saying. Plus, actually, they actually showed me the tires. So once you fix your puncture and you then pump all your tires to the correct pressures, you need to reset this light. So to reset this light, what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna switch the car off, and you will find that there's a button here which is the symbol of the tire. So get the ignition to position 2 here. You don't need to start the car, and then we're gonna press and hold this button here until that light turns yellow, and then it will go off, and that has been reset. So technically now when we start driving, all the new pressures will be registered to the system, and the system will start monitoring your new tire pressures. And obviously if you get another puncture or whatever, same will happen. That light will come on if one of the tires goes flat. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.